When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today, you guys, we are going to be unboxing 12 more. I keep wanting to call them the food balls. I don't think that that is what I should be calling these things. But today we have 12 more of the 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 2. That is a mouthful. About 2 months ago, we opened up, well, we did like 2 videos. We did 12 and 12 for a total of 24. But we are still on the quest for so many missing ones. They don't like have sections for these. I feel like they used to group them by like dairy, bathroom items, like didn't they used to kind of have categories, but now it's just literally like they'll put cheese with pasta sauce or something. But anyway, you guys know there's like the little shopping bags or the little shopping baskets, which are always so adorable. But this round, there is an entire like checkout counter with like a little scanner and a computer monitor, and that has to be like super ultra rare because I have not seen that one yet. We still only have like one of the gold varieties. We got the gold A1. I have all of them down here so we can compare and look at old ones. I even have like some series 1 in here, but this is the only gold one we've gotten so far from series 2. So you guys, the quest continues. Anyway, let's just start unboxing, shall we? And I know a lot of you guys have been requesting for me to do the 5 Surprise Mini toy brands, and I should be hopefully unboxing some of those soon. Right on top, we have a repeat that we've gotten many, many times over. It is the delicious box of strawberry jello. Okay, next compartment, Stovetop Chicken. That looks really familiar. See, that's why I wanted to wait a while until I like unboxed the next round, so I'd even be excited about the repeats again, because I'm like, did I get this before? Yes. Okay, we did get that. So next section. Okay, that is the Feta Cheese. And we have definitely gotten this one a couple of times so far. All repeats in this one. Okay, this is one of my favorite ones, but it is the little Lowry seasoning salt. Definitely gotten that one before. Oh, okay, we got a push cart. I had to assemble this little guy for y'all so you could see. This is probably my favorite cart that they've ever offered because it reminds me of the little special carts that Spirit Halloween has. Some Spirit Halloween stores only have like the traditional little hand baskets, but a couple of years ago they started getting these little like rolling carts, and I don't know why it's like the most magical thing to me, but it is. What can I say? I'm easy to please. So that was our first 5, and unfortunately they are 5 repeats, so the quest continues all the way into bowl number 2. Let's see. I really want to see. There's like a Baby Bell, the little cow cheese, which I thought that was Laughing Cow, or is that a different brand? Or is Laughing Cow like the mascot of the Baby Bell cheese? I don't know. Either way, I think like a little cheese wheel would be cute. Actually, you know what? There's also like a cheese wedge in here. You know what? I'm gonna stop pausing. Let's just hope we get lucky with a lot of extra cheesy ones today. Speaking of extra cheesy, it is kind of sad that I think one of them is a collector's thing. It's the Kraft Macaroni Unicorn Macaroni, which sounds so cute, but I think you can only get that in like certain collector's sets. I don't even think you can get that like if you buy like a whole bunch of regular balls. I don't think you can ever get that. Anyway, we got another one of these kinds of carts. Just 12 repeats. Here's Lowry seasoning. So I could make some earrings now if I wanted to. I see so many people do that with these, and I think it is adorable. Oh my God. Okay. This one was such a repeat that I will never forget it. It's some kind of chunky garlic paste, Gourmet Garden, fresh, chunky garlic in a tube. Kind of looks like toothpaste. Can you imagine? Just garlic flavored toothpaste. Yum, yum. And then the last one. Oh my, wait. This was like an identical one to the one we just unboxed, except for instead of the feta, we got the garlic paste. I think that they made this season like harder to collect than ever. It's like they made the commons like more common than ever before, and then they made the rares more rare than ever before. Like, I'm like, how many balls would you have to open before you could get an entire set? I wonder if there's like people that swap parties or something. Probably not this year, but that's always something I've wanted to do at Toy Joy, because they in particular have like vinyl swapping parties. Like if you get extra any of the dunnies or other figures that you would have, you can go and meet up with people and it's like a swap meet. But I've never timed it right to be in Austin when they're like having a swap party. But I wonder if there's like swap parties for 5 surprise mini brands. Like if somebody has 500 things of Jell-O and you just can't find one. So this is some of the Baby Bell product, like the laughing cow thing, but I think that this, yeah, unfortunately this is one we've seen before. It is the cheese dippers. And we have more garlic toothpaste. What are we gonna do? Watch me just open 12 and not get a single new thing. I shouldn't even joke about that, but ground cinnamon, very cute, but definitely for us a repeat. Oh my god, okay, yay. Ooh, I finally got it. Oh my gosh, and I always wondered how they would even fit this one in a section because it looks like it's so huge. So this is the checkout counter. I'm just gonna set it aside very quickly while I open the last compartment, because otherwise I'm just gonna be too excited and I'm gonna like forget to open this last section. Ooh, you know what? I love this product, so I don't know if it's familiar to me because I love it and we probably have it in the pantry right now, or if I've actually seen, oh, I did see the mini version before, but Stubbs barbecue sauce is so delicious. I love it. I'm gonna assemble this little beep, like scanning thing that I'm so excited for. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is like the definition of some assembly required, but I love how it turned out. I think it is so adorable. Now mine is like a little wonky here. I would be curious to see if we get another one, like if it might fit together a little bit better, because I'm sure you guys can see like it just doesn't want to 100% like perfectly snap into place there, but it is so cute. So there's like the little, I feel like normally there would be like a lane number there, and then it has like a little computer checklist screen almost, and then this would be like your little conveyor belt. But yeah, it is so adorable. Now I definitely feel like this is the most like stationary of all of these items. You know, I feel like all the little carts and some of the shelves even this time around actually have wheels on the bottom of the shelves. I feel like they're just meant to be like scooted around more, but that is definitely like assemble it and then never touch it again. But it looks so, so cute and I'm so happy that we finally see it. So we finally got something new. On to ball number 4. Maybe this one is gonna have a gold one in it. Oh, it's the Blue Diamond Smokehouse almonds. I definitely know that we have gotten these several times before, and I think that there's a gold version too, or maybe like a glow in the dark version. This is one of my favorite ones, but I think we've gotten it at least 2 times before now. It is the Pickles. You guys, I feel like we are missing like 30 or 40 of them. Like I feel like we should be getting new ones like pretty easily, but for some reason we are just getting the same ones over and over and over again. This is the last thing, and it's the taco seasoning, which I love this because tacos are some of my favorite food. Actually, this specific taco packet, I do love McCormick seasonings, but too many times before. I don't even remember how many times. I feel like that one was pretty common. I feel like with series 1 and 1.5, they had all those like little packet things. I think last time it was rice. It was like the instant flavored rice, and we saw those like a million times too. What are we gonna get? Okay, this is one of my favorites too, but I know we've seen it once or twice before. It's the Kraft bag of caramels. I think we opened these last ones in October because I remember like being excited for the caramels around Halloween. This looks, okay, no, this is unfortunately the same one, and we have seen this before. It's the Almond Breeze like gallon of milk, and there is one glow in the dark one only this time, you guys, and it is this milk. And we've seen the milk carton a bunch of times, but unfortunately never the glow in the dark one. Miracle Whip. I hope you guys are not like too bored. Sometimes I feel like it's terrible when we just get repeats over and over again. Next section. Did we get this one before? I do not remember if there was just one variety of Lunchables. I know they make like a million different actual Lunchables, and we got that one before, unfortunately. But you guys have to let me know, do you like when they make it like more challenging like this? Or would you literally get frustrated with like opening 500 things of strawberry jello? Swear we've gotten this variety of blue diamond almonds before. There's Smokehouse or lightly salted. Oh, is this different? I don't remember ever seeing this packaging before. So it looks like it's a different kind of like steak sauce, except for this is bullseye. Barbecue sauce, sorry, not steak sauce. So I think I can finally bust out a pin here, you guys. I think we got one. Oh my God, one new one. This is number 17. Ooh, this one sounds promising. Although it also kind of sounds like Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid! Oh my God. I literally predicted it and then dropped it. It is the Kool-Aid. Now I'm trying to determine which one is my favorite one from all of these. And it's probably a tie between the Kool-Aid, the Lowry seasoning salt, and the Pickles. I think that those are my favorite. Now, although like Sharkleberry Fin, that's like the best kind of Kool-Aid. Although they did recently release the like some retro Kool-Aid jammer flavors, and those are so good. I think I've had like the grape ones so far. It's called like Grapeosaurus Rex or something. I don't even know, but it is so good. I swear, yeah, I see the repeat of that just down here. What is in here? Sharp cheddar. Did we get this one before? I feel like maybe we did, because it's another little one of the packet thing. We did. It's a repeat. Oh, Old Bay seasoning. I know we've gotten this one like a million times too. I don't know why I looked down and I saw like the animal crackers. What are those called? Aren't those called like Barnum animal crackers? Or am I just thinking of the literal like Barnum and Bailey circus? Which I don't even know if that exists anymore. Pure vanilla. Once again, I know that this is a repeat, but it is cute. Although I wish that they would have just done like the little bottle of vanilla. I think that that would have been cuter than the little paper box. And we have more Miracle Whip, which is what I think we got earlier. Yeah, I don't know why I call that mayonnaise, but it's the same, but different. I don't really know the difference between Miracle Whip and mayonnaise. I guess Miracle Whip they technically call like a sandwich spread, so I think it has like other flavorings in it. And then just like mayonnaise is more plain. But I guess always growing up, we have just bought like Miracle Whip. I think we use Miracle Whip instead of just plain mayonnaise. We have gotten the cash register and one new one. We have Zesty Italian. Did we get this one last time? I can't remember if it just looks so similar, because I think that there is a Thousand Island as well. We did get this one. More ground cinnamon. Ooh, what is that? That is the actual like full-size looking basket. Is it gonna be something new? It's kind of familiar. Once again, I eat this all the time, so maybe it just looks familiar to me because I'm like, yum yum, sweet relish. I have a sweet relish ear chain. I just said keychain and put it up to my ear. I meant earring. You guys, my brain. I haven't had enough caffeine today. This is my only my first cup of coffee. And I do feel like the time in between Christmas and New Year's Eve, my brain is just on permanent vacation. Only 4 of them left. Get more garlic. I keep calling it garlic toothpaste. And I shall keep calling it garlic toothpaste. You guys, if we are seriously only gonna get 2 new ones, organic thyme. And we have definitely seen that at least one time before. Time jokes. Oh! Is it our third new one of the day. I don't know. I already have this checked off on the list. Why did I think that we hadn't seen this before? It is the Crystal Light. Isn't that their little jingle? It's supposed to be like a box of the like on the go Crystal Light packets. I'm sure you guys knew that already. Oh my God. Okay, we got another checkout stations. Oh my gosh. Okay, yay. We did get a new one though. I definitely don't think we have had this before. It's Frank's Red Hot sauce. And I wonder if this, I mean, I do think that we sell this like at HEB and stuff. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I've been doing like the food, like where they'll just come put it in the back of the car all year long. So I have not been in a grocery store since February. So I don't remember what I've seen. I think that we do offer this product here, but everybody in Texas and Louisiana seems to be mostly crazy about like Tabasco sauce. So I just don't think, I don't know if people are like as into it, but yes, this is a new one. We have not had it before. I shouldn't try and be fancy. We got another shopping cart, which, oh my God, I was just trying to put together the last one and I don't know if my hands are just not working today or what, but I couldn't get that one to go together. Maxwell House coffee jug. I know we've seen this one a bunch of times before. I probably shouldn't admit that I'm struggling to assemble a little miniature shopping cart. We got the crushed red pepper, and I think that we have had this one before, even though I'm pretty sure we are missing like a variety of the McCormick spices that come in these little things, but I don't think it's this one. You guys, there's literally so many special ones and we have not gotten any of them. We have gotten the pepper before. So many metallic versions. Like how many Old Bay seasonings have we gotten and like not gotten a single metallic one? Okay, so I know we've gotten this one in the past. So it is the adorable little box of Kraft macaroni and cheese. And like I was trying to say at the beginning, unfortunately, we're never gonna see the unicorn one. I won't say never, because I was contemplating buying, they have like a full-size little like store cash register thing, and I was actually thinking about buying that, and so maybe that is considered like one of the special sets. That was the Zesty Italian dressing again, I think. What is in this section? What is this? Shake and bake. Did we get that last time? I think we did get this in an unboxing before, because I was like talking about the slogan. I was like, it's shake and bake, mama, and I'll help. That's like their little, that was like in the 80s. Okay, we got more Blue Diamond lightly salted almonds. Once again, could have got the gold one, but didn't. Next. Look, it was an Old Bay seasoning repeat. What is this? Bagel Bites. And it's the regular one. Here is our last bowl. Maybe this one will have 5 new ones in it, you guys. What do you think? We got more ground cinnamon. What is it gonna be this time? The garlic paste? No, the Crystal Light. French's onions, which I think is one of the more rare ones, but we definitely have gotten it before. Oh, we got, it's like the last time we didn't get the register at all, and I thought it was like the most rare thing, and now we have gotten 3 registers in one video, and it is the garlic toothpaste. How else would we possibly conclude this video, you guys? We still are missing, like I think we only have 70 that we've done out of the checklist, so we definitely had a lot more to collect, because isn't there like 115 of them? Oh no, okay, we didn't get 70. We must have gotten like 30 out of the 70. I felt like we still had a lot that we could get, but alas. Some of these have got to be so difficult. Like this is the one of them that I was really hoping we were gonna see today. It's like the little wedge of cheese. The cheese ones have got to be really, really difficult because we don't hardly have any of them. Like there's 3 Baby Bell products that we're missing, not including like the gold Baby Bell product. And the cheese wedge we're also missing. So what is that, like 4 or 5 cheese products? Guys have to let me know. Do you want me to keep going? Like, do you want me to do at least like 1 more unboxing of these? Or would you rather me just like wait until the next ones come out, whenever that is gonna be? I'm hoping sooner than later. Or some of the like 5 surprise mini toy ones. You guys just let me know. Leave me all of your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below, and I will be back again very, very soon. But until I do, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!